everybody, I'm Natalie with Let's Get Tuned, and right now we're going to do a quick, fast, wonderful neck stretch. So you don't need anything at all, you'll just be seated or standing, and let's get started. All right, to begin, let's just do a few neck circles. Drop the right ear to the right shoulder, and then start to go back and start with some smaller circles. So you're really painting like a little circle on the ceiling. See how that feels first. And then if that feels okay, take some larger circles. And as you do this, just start to let the breath go. Inhale. And on the exhale, let yourself sigh it out. Just a little bit longer on this side. Notice again which direction you're going with your circles. Slowly, gently come to center. Let the chin just drop. Take a breath in. And then exhale, begin your circles the other direction. Let the eyes close down. And your circles can start small and tight and then maybe get wider and wider, depending on whatever feels good right here, right now. Even if there's any creaks or tenderness, just thanking yourself for doing this little stretch. Show your body some love. Gently start to slow it down. Inhale deeply and exhale. All right, you're going to take the hands, interlace them behind you, and bring the interlaced hands over to your left side. Then you'll just drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And keep dropping that right shoulder down. So you'll feel that stretch on the right part of the neck. And then just notice where your chin is. Maybe take your chin down or move it in any way till you find a spot on the right side of your neck where it just feels good to hang out for a moment. Relax that right shoulder, relax the breath, the chest, the jaw, the eyes, the space between the eyebrows. Starting to slow it down. And super gently, just bring the neck back up to center. Take your arms, your hands, bring them to the right side. And then take that right ear to the right shoulder. And instead of letting that right elbow come out, keep it going towards the back of your body. Relax the left shoulder down, right shoulder down, and maybe just see if you move the chin slightly, if it intensifies the stretch in a nice way, or gets a spot that you need. Imagine the tension just melting away with each breath, with each passing second. And gently come back to center. Unclasp the hands and take your hands to your shoulders and start to make some backward circles. Let's take 3 big inhales and exhales here. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Sigh it out. Inhale deeply, coming up. exhale. Last one, inhale. Let it go, drop the shoulders. And then gently relax, palms face up. Close the eyes, feel the spine long, shoulders relaxed. Any tension in the neck, imagine it has just dissipated. Take one more breath together. Inhale. Let the exhale be a thank you to yourself, a thank you to your body. Hope you've enjoyed. Feel free to stretch a little more or relax. Take some meditation if you can. If you enjoyed the stretch, please share the video, like, comment, let us know what you want to see more of. We're here to support you, and your interaction supports us. Thank you.